Hey, it's Abhi Dwivedi here with the Super Affiliate AI team, and I want to say congratulations and welcome aboard. You just made one of the smartest decisions I've seen anyone make. Before you get started, because you're a smart marketer who took action, we want to give you the chance to upgrade your account. First, we packed as many features as possible into the standard version, but we did have to leave out some licenses and capabilities to keep Super Affiliate AI affordable and accessible to everyone. Right now, your account has a ceiling on video creation, a boundary limiting you to English only, and a wall preventing you from building channels for paying clients. This upgrade removes the ceiling, breaks the boundary, and tears down the wall for $5.58 per month. Upgrade number one, unlimited. This removes every single restriction from your account. Unlimited videos per month. No cap on how many reviews you can create. 5 per day, 10 per day, 30 per day. The AI handles it all without throttling. Unlimited channels. Manage as many YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram accounts as you want. Unlimited auto mode campaigns. Run multiple niches simultaneously. Tech reviews on one channel, health products on another, software on a third, all publishing daily, all on autopilot. The income math is simple. More videos equals more keywords ranked. More keywords ranked equals more traffic. More traffic equals more commissions. Every video becomes an independent earning asset working for you 24 hours a day. Capping your video creation caps your income. Unlimited removes the cap permanently. Upgrade number 2, professional. This unlocks multilingual video creation in 15 plus languages. Spanish, 534 million native speakers. French, 280 million and growing rapidly in Africa. Portuguese, 260 million speakers. Brazil alone is the number 3 YouTube market in the world. Hindi, 600 million speakers. India is the fastest growing YouTube market on earth, plus German, Italian, Japanese, Korean, Dutch, Polish, and more. Here's the reality. 75% of YouTube viewers are outside the English speaking world. English YouTube is saturated. International markets have far less competition. Same products, different audiences, more commissions. One product review becomes 5 or more videos in different languages. Are you going to leave all that money on the table just because you don't speak another language? You don't have to. The AI handles the translation. Upgrade number 3, full agency rights. Build and manage affiliate review channels for paying clients. Set up complete channels for clients. White label reports so they see your brand, not ours. A dedicated client management dashboard. Separate workspaces for each client. Agency pricing templates, contracts, and proposals ready to use. Now, charge clients $500 to $2,000 per month for channel management. Auto mode runs their channel. You monitor, you optimize, and you collect the check. 30 minutes per week per client. $1,000 or more per month per client. One client at $500 per month pays for over 7 years of your subscription. 2 clients and you're earning $1,000 to $4,000 per month in recurring revenue, plus your own affiliate commissions. The math is absurd. Plus you get these VIP bonuses today only. Bonus 1, agency launch kit. Everything you need to launch your agency. $497 value. Bonus 2, international market playbook. Country by country breakdown of the best affiliate markets and audience behavior. $297 value. Bonus 3, client acquisition swipe file. Cold email sequences and outreach messages that land clients. $197 value. Bonus 4, monthly performance report templates. Professional white labeled reports for your clients. $147 value. Bonus 5, agency goldmine. Real pricing data from Fiverr and Upwork for 110 digital services. $297 value. Bonus 6, proposal pro. 100 Canva editable proposal templates. $297 value. Bonus 7, agency HQ. A pre-built Notion workspace with CRM, project management, invoicing, and SOPs for running your agency. $297 value. Total value, $3,138. Yours today for just $67 per year. $67 per year, that's $5.58 per month. Less than a single coffee at Starbucks. One affiliate commission from one video in one new language pays for the entire year. One client pays for 7 years. The return on investment isn't good. It's absurd. $67 per year is the launch special price. After this window closes, the unlimited upgrade moves to a monthly subscription that costs significantly more. Lock in the annual rate now before it's gone. Create unlimited videos. Try multilingual content. Land your first client using our templates. And if it's not worth $5.58 per month to you, we'll refund every penny. Go ahead now and secure your unlimited professional and agency upgrade before the price increases. Press the buy now button below. $67 per year. Zero risk. Unlimited upside. The decision practically makes itself.